Alright, assignment time. And it's important that you kind of develop something based upon the lesson so that you have practice. And for this, I want you to concentrate on maybe an animal character or something like that. Cartoony like, not realistic. Give it some character, but also keep in mind that I want it to be not human. I know that. Not demon, not human, not anything else. Keep it cartoony, keep it fun. That way you're not getting too far into anatomy. Anatomy is important, but fun's more important at the first beginning stages of modeling. At least I found it when I did it. And then it kind of bled through later on because of that. Alright, so I would also stay away from maybe like a bunny or anything like that. Keep it very big, broad. You can look up animals, donkey or something like that, and make a base mesh for it. A cartoony type of base mesh that is mirrored. So that's one requirement. That it has symmetry, it's called. So the symmetry on the right and left hand side of the character matches. And it has the ability to have its detail correct. When I go to kind of move it around, it should move around correctly. When I go up in levels, it shouldn't lose too much detail. It should get nice and smooth. Alright, cool. So that's your assignment, is to make a base mesh of an animal character that is kind of cartoony. Enjoy.